Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today I'll take another look into the charts. I was short last night on XRP. Not long after this tweet, I flipped long, and right now I'm scalping very aggressively XRP. It's very volatile, and with big percentage moves and with a little leverage, you can make a lot of money on it. However, I do not want to turn into a bag holder, so be careful. S&P 500 looks like a chat, yeah, I would say the Dixie is looking like it is about to bottom. We will take a closer look pretty soon. S&P 500, the 4 hour, looking like a rock star, or whatever you want to call it. It is really pumping hard and looking very strong still. Taking a look at the Dixie. How do you guys pronounce it, by the way? I like to call it the Dixie. The Dixie, is finding support over here. Very important area as well with these lows over here in this area. Would like to see it go down further. Why? Well, so the bull market can continue. And yeah, not something too interesting. Let's go to this one. Today I was talking to a friend, and he's not really an investor. He's basically in Bitcoin because I told him to. And he told me today, well, the price is a little bit low, right? And let's be honest, guys, we are still very, very, very high in the Bitcoin price. Just a few months ago, like this was December, we were below 20K. Stuff can come down very hard. It's looking bullish still. As long as this trend line holds, we're in a bull market, I believe. If this one breaks, we gotta watch out. But until then, we are very, very high. So do not think it is written in the stars we go much higher for now. May is coming, sell in May and walk away is a saying. But right now, stuff is still looking good, and as long as we are making higher highs, basically stay above 50K and go above 60K, then we're good. This trend line is really something we need to keep an eye on. Fundings have reset completely. We can see it over here on the 1 hour. We can see it like fundings have completely reset. So that is a good thing. Gives us a lot of liquidity to the upside again. And yeah, stuff is looking good right now. I'm trading back to the upside. Was flat this whole night and had a short open on XRP, like I said. XRP, it is so extremely volatile. Look at this. I fat fingered in a long over here on 40x leverage on Bybit. Do not try that at home, because usually, on a coin like this, it will instant wreck you. Still looking very good though. Can go way higher, depends on everything that's going on. But right now, it is looking good. It is looking good. I'm trading this on the 1 minute, and I'm just looking at higher lows, higher highs and stuff like that. Right now you could see a little bit of an inverse head and shoulder on it here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This was also almost like a funding dip over here. But looking very good, easy to trade on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Just needs to go back in here. Like I said, I had a nice short last night, like very close to the top. But yeah, you just trade it and scalp it. If you want to know how to scalp and trade, I'm selling a course in that. And it's not that expensive. And some people have bought it, and I haven't heard from them. Let me know, guys, how you like it. If you're watching right now, I haven't heard anything from the guys who bought it, so I think that's a good thing. I don't know. Anyway, this is basically what I'm looking at. This tap over here made me short. I was like, nah, it's not bouncing high enough from this trend line. I flipped short, and yeah, it broke while I slept. And over here, I closed it, longed it. it was going together with a Bitcoin dip over here. Like I said, premium's completely gone, so we have a lot of liquidity to the upside again. A lot of lines here. Let me remove those. BNB looking very good. Had a little break of this trend line together with Bitcoin and everything else. Something like that, or a retest maybe. They had a break of this one, as you can see, but it's still looking good. Bouncing very good. And I would say a retest of this area as well. And this one, like looking very good over here. Like I said in the previous video, 600 would be the target for BNB. Litecoin, I mean, I trade Litecoin on the 1 minute as well. It's very good to scalp, and I make a lot of money doing it. This is the 1 hour, another retest of this trend line. It did a couple of them already, but it's still looking good. Still looking very good on the 4 hour. They should not go below $200 anymore, because then really the thesis is over, I would say. But this remains the target, $400. Of course, if Bitcoin stays like this or doing well. Solana being a complete chat over here, a Sam coin, and Sam coins are just for longing. Just going up, straight up, and it's looking wonderful over here. Something like this. And this is basically how you trade it, you know. We can go to the 4 hour. And yeah, it does these nice retests, you know, and stuff like that. I mean, at least $60, I would say, would be a target. And that is about it. Funding is completely reset. Dixie doing well. S&P 500 doing pretty well. Yeah. Very volatile. I'm not really trading Bitcoin at the moment. I'm very long, but cautious on it. Right now, the gold really is in coins like Solana, BNB, XRP, Litecoin. I like XRP a lot. You know, it's making big swings percentage-wise, and yeah, you can scoop it so well. It's easy to get filled on as well on Bybit. That's where I like to trade. Make sure to sign up with the link in the video description. You get some extra rewards in the rewards hub, and you help me, of course. Make sure to subscribe as well. Let me know what you guys want to see. And like I said, you know, if you want to know more about how I trade, I'm selling the course and it's not that expensive. Send me a message. Let me know in the comments. We'll get in contact, and I see you guys again tomorrow.